so just got a couple more packages, I guess. So the first one is the cooling fan for the back of the intercooler, and then I also got another silicone coupler. I think it's the 2 to 2.5 inch black coupler. Yeah, so this goes from the outlet of the turbo to the intake piping, and then yeah. Good packing for today. Oh, that's the fan. Cool. So this is the fan. Supposedly it's 600 CFM, but I don't think so. I just need a little bit more airflow going through, so that's why I got this. But it should do. I think it should fit in between the intercooler and things. We're gonna finish up with the install of the bumper. Did you fuck up? So I have the JDM AF quick release bumper kit stuff. So we're gonna start drilling the holes and prepping each part of the fender and bumper to receive this awesome JDM sweat. And I don't know if you can see, but that is not a bolt. It's just a warped piece of metal with threads. Yeah, so that is just like a warped piece of metal with nothing in it. So we will have to go to like Home Depot or something and get some hardware. Alright guys, so I got the holes drilled for that one. We're gonna have to go get some hardware a little bit later, and then yeah. We got the bumper on, and it's looking pretty good. So this is the final, get out of the shop! Ugh. Just kidding. So this is the final placement of these. I have new bumper rails that I'm gonna install today. So the bumper will actually sit on there. It wants to pull out because the little guides are broken, so that is that. And then this side sits on a little bit better. Still not perfect, but there is this one. So this one, we used some hardware that we bought at Home Depot last night, just because that one bolt was it wasn't even a bolt, it was just like a threaded rod. And then this one we used what it came with. So it looks pretty good. A little bit of gapping in the fitment, but overall pretty clean. So